Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do share, subscribe and like. Okay, so today we are going to solve another problem from the lead code. So here you can see problem number, where is the problem? Okay, so longest substring without repeating character. Okay, so this is our problem. Longest, longest substring. Okay, so this is the lead code problem. You can see from. Okay, if you want to check, then we can search this problem. Okay, so where is my browser? Mm, okay, so this is the problem. Okay, so this is the problem, longest substring without repeating character. So if you have like a string, if you have a string like this, A, B, C, B. Okay, so output equals to 3. Longest substring. I mean, they give us a longest substring. Then we can find out length of longest substring. Okay, so this is the whole strings, and in which we will find out substring without repeating character, which this string don't have any duplicates value. We only have only, I mean, we only have distinct values which is not repeating. Okay, so the answer is ABC with the length of 3. Okay, so this is the problem from lead code. I have already solved this, so I am going to show it. Okay, so here I am again open my BS code. So here you can see we can run dry run from here. Okay, so example. Hmm. Okay, so like if we have a string A, B, C, B, B. So first step is right equals to 0. Okay, so we are going to start from here. Left also here and right is also here. Entering is I mean entering in the index is called left, and ending the index. And I'm no I mean ending the that that array or that index, so which called right. Okay, so right equals to 0, and we need to take a character A because first character is A. Okay, so see here we are going to store unique values. Hmm, there there we don't put any repeating character. Okay, so we have only unique values, so we can store here in scene. Okay, so A not in scene. Okay, so A not in scene, first of all we check here in scene. So A not in scene, then we can add A in scene. Okay, so answer equals to max. Okay, here our total answer, maximum answer. Okay, because here you can see here this 0 from right. If you have right 0 minus left 0. Okay, so here you can see left minus right. Okay, I am going to minimize it so you can focus on my cursor. Okay, so here this one, this one. So this is for right minus left. So here our right is also 0 and left is also 0. So here 0 minus 0 and plus 1. Okay, so this is the formula for getting the maximum number from the answer. So this is our answer. So answer equals to 1. So this is the maximum answer. Okay, so step 2, right increase by 1. Okay, right increase by 1, or we are here in after A, we are on B. Okay, so right equals to 1 and character B, and character equals to B. So B not in scene. Okay, so we don't have a B in scene. Okay, scene has only A, so we can add scene. We can add B in scene. Okay, so here you can see we added B in scene. Okay, so answer equals to maximum So here you can see max answer equals to 1, and here you can see right minus left. Okay, so here our right value is 1 and we already have left equals to 0. Okay, so plus 1, then we got uh, output 2. So our maximum answer is 2. So this is our answer 2. And step 3, right equals to right increase 1 by 1. So right equals to 2 and character equals to c. This is our third character. Okay, this one c. Okay, so we don't have a c in scene, so we can add here. Okay, okay, so our scene is a, b and c. So answer equals to right equals to 2, right equals to 2 minus 0 plus 1 equals to 3. So this is our output. After that we are going to next character, which is a. So write 3 character equals to a. So a is already in scene, so entirely loop, so we don't need to add this. So we remove, I mean we added this, but we remove s from the left side. Okay, so we need to remove a from left side. Okay, so remove a from left side. Okay, you can see here, this is the a, and now b and c only left here. Okay, so this is our new scene. Okay, and left equals to 1. Now I mean b left equals to 1. Now a not in scene. Okay, now a not in scene because we already removed a from scene, because we want to add new a. So, okay, so a not in scene, so add a in scene. Okay, so now scene value is equals to b c a. Okay, so I have added there. You can see here, this is the a, and our answer equals to this is our previous answer, this one max 3, this one. Okay, now right minus left. Okay, so here you can see right equals to 3 and left equals to minus 1, because I have already removed a from left side. That's why we have left equals to 1. Okay, and we added 1 equals to 3, so our output is 3. So in step 5, uh, we increase the value of right. So right equals to 4 and character v. So here you can see b again on b. Sorry, we are here on b. So b is also present in c. Okay, so v is also present in c. So we in scene remove, I mean now we need to remove b from left side. Okay, so remove b. So here we are going to remove b from here. Okay, so here in our older scene we have b c a. Now we removed b and we get new, I mean we got new scene. So scene equals to c comma a in string. Okay, so now our left equals to 2. Okay, so our left value is equals to 2, because we, one by one, after before this we removed a, so left equals to 1. Here I am going to repeat again, and here left equals to 2 because we removed b from the scene. Okay, so now we need to add b in scene. Okay, so scene value equals to c comma a comma b. Okay, so our answer equals to maximum sum, this 3, and right equals to 4 and left minus 2. So left equals to 2 है, तो 4 I mean left minus 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So our maximum answer is 3. So step 6, right right equals to 5 and character equals to c. So here you can see we have c. C is already present here. So here in step 5, right equals to 4 and character, oh sorry, character we already did it for character. So I think we are on step 6. So in step 6, write equals to 5 and character equals to C. So C is already present in scene, so we can remove C from the left, and scene equals to our scene equals to A and B. Okay, so left equals to 3, left increase by 1. Then we can add, after that we can add scene. Um, I mean we can add C in our scene. Okay, so A, B, C here. You can see this. So answer equals to maximum right equals to 3. Sorry, maximum sum equals to 3, right equals to 5, and left equals to 3. So 5 minus 3 plus 1 equals to 3. So our maximum sum is 3. Okay, so step 7. Right key right increase the value of right and character equals to v. So v in the scene and remove we have v again in the scene, so we need to remove it from left side. Here you can see. So remove a in scene, so v and c and left equals to 4. Okay, so still be in scene. So remove I mean remove from the left, so scene equals to C. Okay, so here because we can't remove B directly because we have A from starting. Okay, like this, A B C, so we need to remove A first. In step 7 you can see clearly. You can put B, but if you already put B there, so we can't remove directly because a is present in 0 index. So you need to remove first A. After removing this, you can remove B. Okay, so we need to remove A from the index, so left equals to 4, and still V in the scene, remove left. So remove B in the scene, so we got scene equals to C, so left equals to 5. Okay, after that add V in the scene, so C our new scene equals to C comma V. Okay, so maximum answer equals to this is our previous sum. Okay, so left minus right, sorry, right minus left plus 1 equals to 2, so we got 3 is the maximum sum. So step in after that we are going in step 8. So right equals to 7 and character equals to V. I think this is the last character, so you can see here B. This is our last character. So now we also present in a scene. Okay, so remove from the left, we can remove B from the left. Okay, so here you can see this one. Okay, so we already have C equals to C comma B. So we want to remove B, but if we have C at 0 index, so we can't remove B directly from the index 1. So we need to remove C first, and after that we can remove B. So B in scene, remove from the left. Here our new scene equals to only B. So left equals to 6. Still we have still B in scene. Okay, you can see here clearly. Okay, B still present here, so so still be in scene, remove from left and remove B, so our scene equals to this one. Okay, empty. So length equals to, sorry, left equals to 7. Left value now increase and its value is 7. Now add B in scene, so we can add scene, and answer is 3. 7 minus 7 plus 1 equals to 3. So final substring is A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C with the maximum sum. Okay, So here you can see our code also. So here we are, see here, this is the class and this is the function for length of the longest substring. Okay, so here this is the parameter as is in string. Okay, so here you can add scene has only unique values. Scene doesn't have any duplicate characters, so that's why we need to use scene here. So initially left equals to 0 and answer equals to 0. So for right in range length of s. As I have already told you what is the s is our input. This one. Oh, where is it? This one. This is our s. Okay. So while as right in scene, okay. So if I mean while as right in scene, okay, if we find out duplicate value in scene, so we need to remove. Okay, we need to remove from as, and we increase left values like that. We already increase in dry run left value like that. Left equals to 4, left equals to 8, left equals to, I mean left equals to 7, left equals to 6, like that. So we need to increase by 1, and after that we add a current character. Okay, so scene dot add as right. Okay, so here we need to add, if you have been seen, then you need to remove from the left and you need to add in right side. So this is the step to add a correct character, sorry, current character. So our answer equals to this is the answer, this is right minus left plus 1. So here written the final answer. So you got I think you have clear. So guys, I think you guys understood now. If you don't uh, I think I mean you don't if you don't understand, then please do comment. I will explain you again, and please do like, share, subscribe. Bye bye, take care.